Hello everyone. In this video, I will be talking about our new study titled How Reproducible Are Surface Areas Calculated from the BET Equation? Porosity and surface area play an important role in modern materials science. At the heart of this sits the BET theory, developed in the 1930s for open structures by three scientists, namely Bernauer, Emmett, and Teller. It is now one of the most widely used metrics for the estimation of surface areas of micro and mesoporous materials. Despite its widespread use, the calculation of BET areas causes a spread in reported areas, resulting in reproducibility problems in both academia and industry. To prove this, we provided 18 already measured isotherms of porous materials such as moss, zeolites, mesoporous silicas, and coughs to 61 labs with expertise in adsorption science and synthesis of porous materials across the globe, and asked them to calculate the corresponding BET areas. The round-robin exercise resulted in a wide range of values. In the violin plot shown here, we can see that for NU1104, the range of BET areas was about 7,500 meters squared per gram. To solve this, we have developed a new computational approach that we like to call BETC, short for BET Surface Identification. The software expands on the well-known Ruppero criteria and for the first time makes an unambiguous BET area assignment possible. So how does BETC work? It's simple. First you launch BETC, pick your CSV file and drop it in. The result should open in two windows, one showing the BET analysis and the other the regression diagnostics. The BET area is given here.